quick demo in how you might set up color variation with a deco decal. So here's my Photoshop file, just a little bevel and emboss filter. Got the whole thing alphaed out. Over here in Unreal, I've got a decal plane I've already established. The start of a material, and you can see I've just imported the image in. Now I don't have color yet. I'm actually going to have the color basically be multiplied right here in the material editor with this image. So I'm going to go ahead and create a constant 3 vector. And I'll just put in some kind of a color. Let's see here, that's fine. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply these two things. So I'm going to multiply the color by the image, plug that into the base color. Now you may notice, so you can see there's the combination of the two. Let me just say that. You may notice I actually haven't applied this material to the plane because what I'm going to be doing is creating material instances of this, which will allow me to just, for each instance I can just have a color variation. And this is just a more efficient way of working in a game engine rather than creating a distinct whole material for each color variation. The instances are just more performant. So in order to access this node to be able to change its color in the instances, I need to right click on this constant 3 vector and do what's called convert to parameter. Now I'm going to call this something like base color, and that is going to become a parameter that's going to be again available and visible in the instances. So I'm going to save that, close that up, or just actually I can keep it open, and over here in the content browser I'm going to right click on this and you're going to see create material instance. And I can do this as many times as I want. So I'll just call this a yellow. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it over here. So you can see it's already started to work, but it's still got the default color pink that I had started off with. But now I can go into this yellow, double click on it, and you should have available now this parameter that I had established or created over in the master material. So now I can just enable this in this instance, choose whatever color I like, save it. You can see there's the update, and I can just do that to my heart's content. I can duplicate that thing. I can go back to the MDeco master material again, new instance. Maybe this one will be orange. Just pop that on there. I gotta turn off my plane 2. There we go, just so I can apply that. There we go. Then I can go back to the orange once again. You get the idea. Okay, so hopefully that's something that you can work with.